Welcome to this Top Boys dedicated to champions who are also politicians. Number 5, George Weah. The first African footballer to win a Ballon d'Or in 1995, George Weah is a role model for athletes looking to get into politics. In 2005, he ran for president in his country, Liberia, which was in the throes of a civil war. Number 4, Haile Gebrselassie. The Ethiopian has won 2 gold medals over 10,000 meters and 4 world championships. On July 4, 2013, he announced that he would be entering politics. He'll be running for the parliamentary elections in Ethiopia in 2015. Gebrselassie, who's still competing, is used to standing the distance. He'll no doubt be back on the track in 2015. Number 3, Andrei Shevchenko. The Ukrainian striker sort of struck out for his political debut. He only scored 1.7% of the vote during the Ukrainian parliamentary elections in 2012. Not enough to win representation. And to think he ended his brilliant football career to get into politics. Number 2, Romario. The Brazilian was voted to the Chamber of Deputies on the Brazilian Socialist Party ticket. A rather violent player on the pitch, a notorious ladies' man, and best player in the world in 1994, Romario was full of resources when it came to getting his Brazilian compatriots to vote for him. Number 1, Vitaly Klitschko. The heavyweight world boxing champion is a real tough guy. He made a faultless political debut, scoring 13% of the vote for his party in the Ukrainian parliament. An opposition to be reckoned with, but coming from him, that's no surprise.